Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox. If you are having trouble loading marketplace, please force restart the app. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all you check your Roblox up to date or not. For that, open your Google Play Store. Then search your Roblox. If your Roblox already up to date, then go back. Open your settings, go to the apps, search your Roblox, press on force stop, open your permissions. Here you should enable all permission, camera, contacts, microphone, storage. Then go back, open your storage, press on clear data. Before clear the data, read this sentence. This app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then click on OK. After that, go back. Doing all this method, check your problem solved or not. If not, uninstall and reinstall your Roblox fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.